Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Discord. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So first, you will need just to go to the discord.com. After that, you will be able either to download your application or the desktop app or just logging in on the website. But all the features are the same either from your mobile app or desktop app or the website. After that, you will need just to go to your desktop app or websites. You will need just to log in. You will click on open Discord and you will log in into your account after creating. So basically here you will find those are some channels, and at the bottom from of this nav bar you will find this explore, or you will find the add server. So basically, if you have already an invitation from someone else that give you a link of that will be similar to this, as you can see, those are the links that are supportable of Discord. Then you will need just to paste the link here. You join the server, and you will be able to start navigating on your friend server. If you want to create your own server, you will need just to click here on Add Server. You click Create My Own, and you will start adding your channels, etc. So basically, you give it a name, uh, guide, for example, and create. And from here, you can start adding channel. As you can see, here you can go to the settings by clicking on the name of your server. It takes you to the settings panel of the server. You go here to invite other people like your friends, etc. You copy the link, you can share it to your friend, etc. And from here, you can create your channels. It can be a voice channel or a text channel. So this is a voice channel and this is a text channel. So as I'm talking, you will see this green voice or this green circle. That means that my voice is enabled, and I can mute myself. I can deafen so I cannot hear anyone else. You can go to settings, and here in the channel, I can start typing. So basically, this is how you can use Discord so easily. Thank you for watching and see you next time.